How to verify Facebook account. First, open Facebook. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top. Tap on this option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. Access the settings. Tap on the option Account Center. Now you can see various options related with your account. Scroll down. At last, you can see the section for more from Meta. Tap on the option Meta Verified. You can see various plans over here: Standard, Plus, Premium, Max. Select the plan of your choice. Tap on the option Unlock Benefits. You can add an Instagram profile if you want. Tap on the Instagram profile of your choice or skip it. Now you can see the feature regarding your plan over here. Tap on the option Claim Your Offer. Now you can add the payment method. Tap on the option Add Credit or Debit Card. Now provide the credit or debit card details over here. Enter the card number, security code, expiration date. Also provide the address. Tap on the option Safeguard. Now if the details are correct, the card will be added. Follow through the prompts. Provide the additional informations including your ID. Once the subscription is completed, your Facebook account will be verified. Meta Verified badge will appear on your Facebook profile. Like this, you'll be able to verify Facebook account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.